Dreading that gas station bill? Let's see if you can ease the pain with Afterpay. First things first, open your Afterpay app. Make sure you have sufficient available credit for your gas purchase. Now, look for the shop or in-store section within the app. This will usually display a map of participating retailers. Check if the gas station has a contactless payment option like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This is key. Afterpay works through these mobile wallets. If they do, activate your Afterpay card within the app. This creates a temporary, virtual card for your purchase. Add this virtual Afterpay card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet as you would any other debit or credit card. At the gas pump, select your Afterpay card in your mobile wallet and hold your phone near the contactless payment reader to initiate the transaction. Afterpay will automatically split your gas purchase into 4 manageable installments. Make sure you pay on time to avoid any late fees. And that's it. Now you can fill up your tank and split the cost with Afterpay.